There is a last-minute emergency, and Josh has to take care of the traveling arrangement for 25 guests. He can't find a big vehicle at the last moment, and booking separate taxis for 25 people is costly as well as hard to find. What will Josh do now? Josh calls his friend for help, who suggests him to download a popular shuttle service app that has all the shuttle transport options. Josh looks in the app and books a 30-seater shuttle from the app. Within half an hour, they are going to their destination, together and safe. Customers like Josh are the reason why the total revenue of shuttle services in the US was $1 billion in 2019. The shuttle service business is spread across several verticals and offers a huge range of services. Now, you have to decide what type of shuttle service you wish to offer with your shuttle startup. You can enter this billion-dollar industry and carve a sizable market niche in your city and expand from there. Even if 1,000 people use your shuttle service each day, it is a big revenue. Bigger the city you serve, higher the number of users you'll get. Enough talk, now it's time for actions. Talk to our experts and learn how you can start your own shuttle service business.